Hi guys, so in this video I can show you how can you edit the character stuff. So once you import your file inside your scene, so you can uh, see it something like this. Okay, so inside my project manager you will get a male character folder. So go inside this folder, you will get two another things like animation and the male character precomposition. So inside my animation folder you will get all the 50 plus animation of male character precomposition, like the saying hi. I just double click on my saying hi animation so you can see the saying hi animation look like this. Okay, so at here you will get a controller layer. So by using this layer you can change easily the character look, like the hairstyle. So press any in my this pack you will get 20 hairstyle of the male character and the 18 hairstyle for the female character. So the female file has the different, but the male and the female work similarly on you will, and you will get a same controller on your female file. So I'm using only the male character for this video. So I just want to change my hairstyle to be something like I just check the all of this hairstyle. Hmm, like this is true. Okay, and the dress I can change it. Um, something like this is good. Okay, the Rudy boss in our company. Okay, so the next one is the shoes. So I just want to match with my uh, this sneakers. So also I can sorry, change the hair color like something like this. See, I just remind you one thing. We can apply angle controller in the characters and the element stuff, like in my background things you can see also the same controller in my background content. So because of multicolor we are applying a same precomposition, so we gives only the angle control. If you want to use some specific color in your character, so you can go inside the asset folder and the layers and the male character layers and choose all any of the character layer, something like not here. Also you can get it from the precomposition here and at here, so you can see it the all of things. Like if you apply some specific color on it, so you can easily apply a fill effect on it and give it a specific color, like the student here. So you can see it, where is my student. So student here in my fourth number, like this. Okay, also you can see it at like here, like in my thief, where it is. uh, where it is the thief one. Hmm, like in my which one, like the cap. Okay, so what is my cap? Like this is my cap. So you can apply um fill also, not a fill. I just apply tint. There it is, two multicolor at here, so I can easily manipulate the color like something like this. Also I just apply the curve like this, so I can play around with the color properties, something like this, and then I just increase the curve so you can get it like this. And for the hair, so in my thief hair, like where it is my thief, here it is in my this section, and apply. I just duplicate it, and sorry, before I just duplicate it, I just create some mask. I also change the color of the hair, not for the beard's color. I just duplicate it and apply a fill color on it. Also I just created something like black. Okay, with my this section, I just hit M key and invert it like this, so you can see it like this. Okay, then go back to your final composition, so you can see it something like this, the black color with some grayish bear. Okay, so this is about the color things. You can also do the same thing with like the dress and the shoes thing. Okay, so these are controllers for the rest of the things like the dress color and the shoe color, and also you can change the skin tone. Like if you are able to see at here in this composition, only change the hand color. For the head color, you can go inside the head precomposition, sorry, the face precomposition, and I just paste those color code inside this precomposition like this. I can change my mouth color and the eyebrow color according to this tone like this. Okay, so this is all about the color stuff. And what about the like what about the facial look? So go inside the face decomposition, you will get controller layer and the mouth decomposition. So if you want to add some lip syncing on your character, so simply drag your some kind of voiceover. Like mm, I will take some voiceover with MP3 format and then go inside the mouth precomposition. Okay, then drag your uh, MP3 file inside this precomposition, then right click on it, go to the keyframe assistance and convert audio to the keyframe. Okay, after that it will give some error, so please don't panic about this. Just hit OK. Then delete the last one keys and choose the mouth recomposition and hit double E, like 2 times E. So you can see time map apply on it, this mouth layer. After that you can hit enable expression button. Okay, then after that hit the 0 key and you can see it. Your lips will be
Maybe
animated
it's you and your wife that can't ever
according to.
figure out who.
Also you can see it at here in my final preview.
Maybe it's you and your wife that can't ever figure out who should pick. Maybe it's you and your
Like my lips will be not animate. What's happening with this? Like in my face precomposition, you must be check this option like lip syncing. So you can switch on this. So you can see it like this.
Maybe it's you and your wife that can't ever figure out who should pick up your kid from soccer. Maybe it's
I just want to change my character look like this so you can see it something like this. I just preview it like by not the zero key. I want to put some element here, then hit the zero key to see the final preview, something like this.
you and your wife that can't ever figure out. It's you and your wife that can't ever.
Okay, also you can see it here like the controller for my expression. So where the my controllers goes, the expression will follow it. So by using this controller, you can animate your expression something. I just animate it into position properties. So like this, and then hold it at here, and then after a few seconds, it will go there. So you can see it like this, then this, like this, then this. Like it is like this, and this, then this. Okay. The next thing is about the expression content. Like I just undo it with the zero keys. I just turn it off the lip syncing. Okay. Also, you can get eye blink option at here if you want. If you don't want eye blink on your character, just switch off this content. Like the eyes will be disappear. So this is a default option. So don't switch off this. This is for only the like like this is only for the expression thing. Like it is not working on my expression thing. Okay, so just put on the expression uh, controller so you can see it a different controller, different animation for each. So how can you edit this thing? Like first of all, manage the time. Like I want to be change my expression from here, not here, from here. So I go into the my face decomposition and I just choose something excited. So I just check it, put a keyframe at here. When after one frame, it will on something like this. So you can see it like at here it is in standard pose, the standard expression, and after it will excite it. Then at here I just turn it off like keyframe at here, and then one frame back it will off. So you can see it it will excite it, and then it's put down to normal. Okay, the next thing is uh, how can you import a same animation in on your different characters. So first of all, create your decomposition like this, and I just want to create some background. This is off-white, and I just want to import the same animation like saying hi is good for me, and then scale it down because of the high resolution. The character will be, if you're able to see in my character decomposition, there it is, the higher resolution. Check the composition settings like 2000 pixel, that 2000 pixel. Place it any of here inside your scene, like this is in my alpha. Okay, then duplicate it in project panel. Make sure you won't be duplicate it in timeline panel, and then drag and drop. So this is my second character, like this one, and change character look into a different thing, like this. So in my this things, you can see it, two different characters doing same animation. But in this scene you can see like this character doing same expression. So for my second animation, I want to replace the expression things, like different expression. For those things, I just duplicate this face decomposition in my project panel. So select this layer, go to the rebel layer source in my project panel. So at here I just duplicate it, and with my alt key I just drag and drop like this. So I just replace it, like I just delete my existing keyframe and then see it like this. Only the one character showing the, the another won't. So I just drag it backwards so you can see it, so you can see the overlapping between two characters. Okay, so that's all about this character stuff. If you had any other queries regarding the character, so please leave us mail in our mail address. You can do same things for the female characters, like whatever I did in my male character, you can follow same process on the female characters. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.